Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic sword for beginners. This is a very simple low polish sword for beginners. I'm going to model it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So here is our final render. This is a very basic and very low poly sword for beginners. Very low poly and very basic sword. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.